in a cage, hungry hearts in a rage, glowing eyes in a daze, turning around in a hurry, hoping you will come along. I'm running as fast as I can, in a desperate need of a plan. It's the work of one little man. I'm fading out from the story. Am I a passionate man?
Good morning. Well, not a lot of room inside of Sarah, but it's not a bad opportunity whenever you get to wake up and open your door, not a front door, a side door, and see. Let me get up and check out the sunrise.
You may remember from the last episode that I arrived onto Mustang Island and Port Aransas from the south via Highway 361. There is another way onto the island, and that is the Port Aransas ferry from Aransas Pass. The ferry is by far the most popular, and because of that, it can also be the most time-consuming. Depending on the time of year, or also the time of day, one can wait as much as 45 minutes to a couple of hours just to get on the ferry. The ferry itself only takes about 10 minutes to get to and from the island. I have a lot of fond memories of my time spent on this island, so I was very pleased when my family decided to have a get-together before the end of the summer. It was also great to have the opportunity to stretch Sarah's legs again. As I have mentioned before, I am taking every opportunity that I can to ensure that I am prepared to get out on the road in earnest. This trip gave me a bit more confidence in doing just that. I do have to admit that I stayed in a hotel room a couple of nights while I was here. The main reason for this was the oppressive heat. The temperature combined with the humidity made for a miserable night's sleep. It is my plan to avoid circumstances such as this, opting for cooler temperatures and lower humidity. Will I be successful all of the time? No, but I will work towards planning to avoid this as much as I can. As you can tell from the wind noise, it was extremely windy throughout the entire weekend. I was hoping to get an opportunity to throw up the drone, but that didn't work, so I just took the time to spend quality time with my family, hanging out, catching up, swimming, and enjoying an ice-cold beverage in the shade. As I get back out on the road and headed home, I'm actually looking forward to an opportunity that I have coming up. In the next couple of episodes, I'm going to be traveling to Colorado for an event called Gutted, which is going to be a great opportunity not only to see some of the work that a lot of great YouTubers are presenting, but also to network with some of those YouTubers and get some ideas on how I can improve not only what I'm presenting to you, but also get some great input on how I can improve my build as well. This trip was primarily about spending time with family. That was my primary objective, and I am able to endure hardships when it comes to spending time with those that I love. On this trip, I had the opportunity to visit with both my brothers and their families. As I traveled about the country, I will be making contact with distant relatives and old friends along the way. It is my continued hope that I will be able to rekindle those relationships and remain in contact with more vigilant communication. I hope that you will join me in my journey.
I'm fading out from the story. Am I a passionate man? Hanging on to the glory. Day by day if I can.
I wish you all the best.